What is going on, guys? So I'm traveling out of town and I've been here in Dallas for the past few days, and so I haven't really been able to do any reviews or anything like that at my studio, but I ended up picking up a fragrance from Buckle. This is Rock Revival. Really has a decent atomizer on it, nice fine mist. Spray a little bit on the arm here. This fragrance has notes of like apple leaves, lemon, geranium, juniper berry, amber, white cedarwood. I believe there may be either peach or apple or pear. I believe there's pear. And yeah, it's really nice scent. Smelling it now, it does remind me of Acquadigio. See the logo there up top? Very peculiar cap and lid, but it snaps into place really good. There is a really obvious similarity in the way that this smells to Acquadigio, and I noticed that with a lot of their fragrances that they tend to mimic, popular designer scents, even though this is a designer company themselves. Other than that, the design on the bottle is really nice. Nice little ribbed ribbon right around the body of the bottle. Cap holds pretty well. Atomizer is pretty decent, and the scent profile itself is pretty good. Solid presentation. The price on this was about $60 for this particular fragrance. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe.